Okay, how to install the flange bearing. Very easy, guys. Obviously, you take your diff apart, take that out. This is the diff I've just showed you, the old diff. And that pinion gear is not in bad condition at all, so that can still be used. Right, you need to take that out, and unlike the flange bearing diff, you can push this straight through. Can't do that with that one because of the flange on the end. So this needs to be drilled out. There's less than a millimetre in it, so it's very slight. Get yourself the correct size drill bit. I'm using a stepper drill, so I find it easier. Still a little bit tight, I think that. Yeah, a little bit more. There you go. That's all it is. Has to be a tight fit. That's all there is to it. And obviously you need to put this back and push that out. Push that back in. No, actually you can't. You need to you need to take this off, because like I say, once you've got the flange on, you can't do it that way. So take that off. Take it apart. I have that much junk on this table, guys. It's unbelievable. And you have your bearing. Obviously there's a pin goes through there. I'm not going to bother putting this completely back together just to show you. And then that goes on there. Obviously you screw, and then you diff back in, diff casing back together, and there you go. That's all there is to it. This does stick further out on the uprated diff, so all I did was I ran a little, I use this stuff, it's called green gem, if you can see it. It's industrial strength CA glue. So I just run a little of that around the outside and let it set, and that keeps it in place. And that's all there is to it.